The British pound continues to decline today, getting all the way down to 121.64 in the front month. It's the lowest we've seen since May of 2020. So after the dust settled following the coronavirus lockdowns, we now are back to those levels again, and it's been a very direct move lower. Recall back in April, the pound's trading around 130, so it's been a very slippery slope since April, taking us all the way down to these lows. A lot of questions about their economy. Yes, the Bank of England has been trying to normalize policy and is raising rates, but at this point there are some big question marks about the growth and jobs in the UK, and that right now is going to continue to see the pound slip lower, again, taking it all the way down to the lows that we haven't seen since May of 2020. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, if you check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com, you'll notice that since last week, volatility has actually been declining as we've been making new lows. That started to slow down a little bit today. We saw volatility start to level off a little bit as the pound it kind of trades in no man's land, an area we have not been in quite some time. It'll be interesting to see how we end the week tomorrow if the declines continue. Lastly, let's look at the positioning. What are speculators doing? I'll give you three guesses, but you only need one. Since March, they've been adding to their net short. So speculators continue to get short and more short, despite the fact that the Bank of England is raising rates and expected to raise rates again in June. Despite the fact that they're trying to normalize policy, it's really been about a stronger dollar. And actually, it's underperforming against the euro as well. So it's not just a dollar phenomenon that we're seeing here, but speculators continue to pile in and get short the pound here as we continue to wait and see how this all plays out. So the pound opens up again today, moving lower, getting down to those lows we haven't seen in almost 2 years. So we wait not only data this week and Friday and next week, we also wait next month's Bank of England meeting, which will be the same week as the FOMC meets as well.